Hi, we're currently in 19 Kompong Grill as we take two bottles of beer as we unbox the Benetech GM320 Infrared Thermometer. And here it is, the Benetech GM320 Infrared Thermometer. So I bought this product from Lazada. I'll provide the link below on the description if you're also interested in buying this one. So let's start with the unboxing. Well, actually, upon checking, it's very quick to unbox. So it has a manual, also the thermometer itself, or the infrared thermometer itself, and also a free battery. Two AAAs. Okay. So let me just check for a while regarding the manual and how to put the batteries. Okay, I might as well try to, yep, then put on the batteries. Okay, let's see. Alright, so far it's self-explainable. So there, then next here. So I went here in 19 Kompong Grill to test the accuracy of this one, for at least for the freezing point. So how can we? Okay, there we go. So let's try checking the temperature of the ice. So we should assume that it's near 0 degrees Celsius. Yeah, -2. Let's try again. Yep, it shows as -2 degrees Celsius. So I guess that's the temperature of the ice. At least it's near the 0 degrees Celsius or freezing point. Let's try on the glass itself. Okay, so it shows as 2 degrees Celsius if I check the temperature on the glass. Again, let's try directly to the ice. Okay, it shows as -2. So probably it's accurate or near accurate. Okay, let's try to check some of the functions. So the normal temperature on the table is around 24 degrees Celsius. Hopefully it's accurate, but I think that's the normal room temperature in the Philippines. Next, I think I can change the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let's try to check. There we go. So it goes to, if you press this button, it toggles between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Next, if I press this one on the left button, it does not show the infrared laser, or the laser, or I mean the laser does not emit. Next, let me try to press it again. Now on the right button, I think it's the LCD screen, or Yeah, so it does not emit light, or you can turn off the LED light for the screen of the thermometer. So let me press it again. There. Okay, so that's basically it regarding this product, the Benetech GM320 Infrared Thermometer. Okay, so if you're interested on purchasing this product, you can try or check the link below of this I mean, check the description below. And thank you. Goodbye.